Farmer Fran's farm. Once upon a time, in a beautiful countryside filled with rolling green hills and vibrant fields of crops, lived a cheerful and hard-working farmer named Farmer Fran. Farmer Fran had twinkling blue eyes, a friendly smile, and a big straw hat that she wore while tending to her farm. She loved her farm and took great pride in growing delicious vegetables and caring for the animals. Every morning, Farmer Fran would wake up early, put on her hat and overalls, and head out to start her day. Her farm was a busy place with fields of corn, tomatoes, carrots, and rows of apple trees. She also had a barn filled with happy animals, cows, chickens, pigs, and a friendly sheepdog named Max. One sunny morning, Farmer Fran decided to invite the children from the nearby village to visit her farm. She wanted to teach them about farming and show them how much fun it could be. She put up posters around the village, and soon, a group of excited children gathered at the farm's gate. "Good morning, everyone," Farmer Fran greeted them warmly. "Welcome to my farm. Today, we're going to learn about growing food and taking care of animals. Are you ready to have some fun?" "Yes," the children cheered in unison. Farmer Fran led the children to the vegetable garden first. She handed out small baskets and showed them how to gently pick ripe tomatoes and carrots. "Make sure to only pick the red tomatoes and the big carrots," she advised. The children carefully picked the vegetables, filling their baskets with colorful produce. "These vegetables look delicious," said a little boy named Ben. Farmer Fran smiled and said, "They sure do, Ben. Fresh vegetables are healthy and taste great." Next, Farmer Fran took the children to the apple orchard. The trees were heavy with ripe, red apples. She showed the children how to reach up and twist the apples off the branches. "Be gentle so you don't hurt the tree," she said. A girl named Emma picked a big, shiny apple and took a bite. "This apple is so sweet and juicy," she exclaimed. "That's the taste of fresh, homegrown fruit," Farmer Fran said with a wink. After picking apples, Farmer Fran led the children to the barn. Inside, the cows were munching on hay, and the chickens were clucking happily. Farmer Fran showed the children how to milk a cow. "This is Bessie," she said, patting a gentle cow. "Would anyone like to try milking her?" The children took turns gently squeezing the cow's udders, and milk flowed into the pail. "This is fun," said a boy named Jack. Farmer Fran smiled. "Milking cows is an important job on a farm. It gives us fresh milk to drink." Next, they visited the chicken coop. Farmer Fran handed out small baskets and showed the children how to collect eggs from the nests. "Be careful not to drop them," she warned. The children carefully collected the eggs, and a girl named Lily held up a basket full of them. "We have so many eggs." "Great job, Lily. Fresh eggs are perfect for breakfast," Farmer Fran said. As they walked to the pig pen, the children saw the pigs rolling in the mud. "Why do pigs like mud so much?" asked Ben. "Pigs roll in the mud to stay cool and protect their skin from the sun," Farmer Fran explained. "It's like their own natural sunscreen." The children laughed as they watched the pigs play. Farmer Fran then introduced them to Max, the sheepdog. Max wagged his tail and barked happily. "Max helps me herd the sheep and keep an eye on the farm," she said. "He's a very good dog." Max demonstrated his skills by rounding up a small flock of sheep, and the children clapped and cheered. "Max is amazing," said Emma. To end the day, Farmer Fran led the children to a big picnic area under a shady tree. She had prepared a delicious farm fresh lunch with the vegetables and eggs they had collected. There were sandwiches, salads, and apple slices, along with cold, fresh milk. As they ate, Farmer Fran told the children stories about the farm and how she had learned to be a farmer from her parents. "Farming is hard work, but it's also very rewarding," she said. "Growing food and taking care of animals helps us stay connected to nature." The children listened intently, enjoying the tasty food and the beautiful surroundings. They felt proud of the work they had done and appreciated the fresh, delicious meal even more. After lunch, Farmer Fran gave each child a small pot with a seedling planted in it. "Take this home and care for it," she said. "Watch it grow, and remember all the things you learned today about farming and taking care of plants." The children thanked Farmer Fran for the wonderful day and promised to take good care of their seedlings. They left the farm with happy hearts and baskets full of fresh produce. As the sun began to set, Farmer Fran stood at the gate, waving goodbye to the children. She felt a warm glow of satisfaction, knowing she had shared her love for farming with the next generation. That night, as Farmer Fran settled into bed, she thought about the day's events. She knew that farming was more than just a job. It was a way of life that brought joy and nourishment to everyone. She was grateful to be a part of it and to have the opportunity to teach others about the beauty of farming. Moral of the story **. Farming is important and rewarding work that connects us to nature. Sharing our knowledge and love for what we do can inspire others and bring joy to their lives. And so, Farmer Fran continued to work on her farm, growing delicious food and caring for her animals. She knew that every day was an opportunity to teach, share, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life on the farm.